In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix LinkedIn email verification not working. If you're experiencing trouble receiving a verification email from LinkedIn, don't worry. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly what steps to follow to resolve the issue quickly and effectively. Let's dive right in by going to LinkedIn. Open your web browser and head over to the LinkedIn website. Once you're there, look at the top of the page and click on Sign In. This will take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your email address and password to access your LinkedIn account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your LinkedIn homepage. Take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see your profile picture or a silhouette icon if you haven't uploaded one yet. Click on this to access a drop-down menu where you'll want to select View Profile. Now that you're in your profile section, it's time to move into the account settings. Within your profile, locate the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Clicking this will direct you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account, which is crucial for fixing the verification email issue. Next, in the Settings and Privacy section, you'll want to click on the Sign In and Security tab. What we're focusing on here is ensuring that your sign-in and security options are correctly set up. Under this tab, you should see an option named Email Addresses. When you click on this, it will display all the email addresses associated with your LinkedIn account. At this point, you need to double-check the email you've linked with LinkedIn. Make sure the email is spelled correctly and is active. If there is any discrepancy, you may need to update or change this to a valid email address that you can access. LinkedIn sends verification emails to the registered email, so it's crucial this is correct. One final tip. If you change your email or notice it's already correct but still aren't receiving emails, try adding LinkedIn's email domain to your safe sender list in your email service provider. This can sometimes prevent emails from being incorrectly marked as spam. And there you have it. Following these steps should help you troubleshoot any problems with LinkedIn's email verification process. Make sure to keep your LinkedIn email information up to date to avoid similar issues in the future. We hope this guide helps get your account back on track, so you can continue networking and expanding your professional connections without a hitch. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.